is not good. Give me the dog, boy. No, I will never give you this dog. Boy, give me the dog. This is your final warning. Ah! What the heck just happened? Who are you supposed to be? Welcome back to Jeff News again. Let's talk about the Avengers battle with Loki in New York 5 months ago. 1 million people died on that day after the battle in New York. New hero from the shadows rise, and I would like to talk about Screaming Hood. Hey buddy, how are you? Hey, look buddy, it is her, the Screaming Hood. She is on TV. Sir, it is her.
It's been 2 years since you went into hiding, and now you show yourself. Welcome back, Screaming Mimi. Or should I say, Screaming Hood.
She protects us from evil people. I am glad to have this person with us. And hold on. We just got some news that a person who is shooting lasers is attacking people just outside the city. Screaming Hood, if you hear this, and I hope you are, please stop him and help our innocent people.
Time to go back to work again. I should finish this electric guy fast before he destroys half of this town.
I want you to go watch the fight with Screaming Hood and this electric guy.
Yes, sir. I will do that right away.
Please don't hurt me.
Oh, shut up. Your life ended when I first saw you. Now die!
Somebody help me, please.
What was that?
It's you, Screaming Hood.
Go get somewhere safe, kid.
Well. So you're the Screaming Hood I heard about.
That's me. Tell me, why are you destroying this small town?
Why, you ask me? Why I am destroying this awful town? I will tell you why. This town treated me like trash. I asked them for help because I was dying. Something was killing me from the inside. But well, never mind. You won't live to hear the story anyway. Screaming Hood, now die!
He is strong. I don't think I'll be able to beat him on my own.
Man, if this day can't get any worse. Black Panther, where did you get this weapon? Are you talking about this vibranium weapon? Well, I got this from a person named Claw. Claw, you're going to return the vibranium weapon to Wakanda, or I will take it from you. Well, you can try.
I got saved by Black Panther, so that weapon that Lady Lucy gives me was from Wakanda. Well, all that does not seem right. What seems right is to stop him, and I think I know how to stop him. Hey, I have a plan on how we can beat this guy.
Alright, I am following your lead.
Alright, let's go.
What did you people do to me? What did you do to me?
Well, that's done.
Well, I am taking this back to Wakanda.
All right, thanks for your help.
No problem.
Well, I better get out of here.
Interesting. Her and the Black Panther teaming up? I better go tell the boss what happened here. Long time no see, T'Challa. Ooh, it's you, Captain. Can I stay a night with Scott?
Yeah, honey, sure. Just be on your best behavior.
I will, Mom. Alright, Leo. I'm going to find Screaming Hood. Scott knows what I'm doing. So, bye, Leo. Be a good boy, okay? Good boy. And that is it. Screaming Hood and the Black Panther, sir.
So, Screaming Hood and the Black Panther, huh? Alright, it's time to see our old friends again.
Yes, sir.
Finally, I am home. What was that?
Hey, Mimi. Long time, huh?
Soldier, what are you doing here?
Do you mean, what are we doing here?
What did you just say?
Nice to see you again, Mimi.
What do you want, Citizen B?
I need you to come back. I have a plan to take over this town.
What did you just say?
Wait. Citizen B is actually a bad guy? I must help her, but how?
Do you see why I need you back now?
And that is why I will never join you again.
You better join me. Or who did that?
Hey! You come here, or I will kill you. Okay. I'm coming out.
Mimi, is this your friend or something?
What are you doing here, kid?
I came here to...
Shut up, kid. I will slice open your throat.
No! Wait. Where is the kid in Citizen B?
Get off me! Get off me, you fake hero!
Shut up, kid. I don't care if I'm a fake superhero. When I take over this town, I'm gonna kill all of the superheroes.
You're insane. You're crazy.
Citizen B! Let the boy go.
No. Join me or this boy dies. Because of you.
Don't do it. Don't join this fake of a hero. Don't.
I'm sorry, kid, but I have to.
That is right. You better join me.
But there is only one thing, though.
And what is that?
I told you before, I will never join you again. Yeah, I will be fine, kid.
That is good.
So what was you doing here, kid?
Oh yeah, I came here to tell you, thank you for saving my life.
Well, I want to thank you as well.
Huh? Thank me? Why?
If you didn't come, I would maybe join him again. So thank you for saving me.
Well, I guess we both help each other out, huh?
Yeah, well, let's get it out of here.
Right. Welcome back to Jeff News again. 5 days ago, a hero that we all thought that was a true hero was actually a fake hero. This person I am talking about is Citizen V. He tried to kill a child and take over our town, but Screaming Hood stopped him and saved the child. So I just want to say this. Thank you, Screaming Hood, for saving our town. Thank you. How do you like your new suit?
It's amazing. Thank you, DJ.
It is no problem. So what will your new name be?
I got a name, and the name
I
is...
finally found you. Captain America?
What is the leader of the Avengers doing here?
I came here to ask you for your help.
You need my help?
Yes, me and Iron Man.
Iron Man?
You should help them. I mean, Captain America is asking for your help. Say yes.
Okay. I will help.
Thank you. But first, I heard you guys was trying to figure out a new name. So, what is it?
Well, my name is...
We adore, we fell so deep. I had a lot on my mind, I wasn't ready to find you. Oh, I should have been there right next to you. Oh, I should have been there right next to you. Ask me if I'd like to know your number, for me to call and say that I got home alright. But when I met you in the summer, sipping wine, we talked for hours through the night. And you asked me if I'd like to know your number, for me to call and say that I got home alright. But all the cold nights in the winter, we drive for hours so that we could be alone. Every time I wish that I could rewind it. We adore, we fell so deep. I had a lot on my mind, I wasn't ready to find you. Cause I was so naive. I do this every time, I wish that I could rewind it. We adore, we fell so deep. I had a lot on my mind, I wasn't ready to find you. Know your number, for me to call and say that I got home alright. But under all the cold nights in the winter, we drive for hours so that we could be alone. And then you asked me if I'd like to know your number, for me to call and say that I got home alright. But under all the cold nights in the winter, we drive for hours so that we could be alone. And I've been making up excuses just to call ya. You told me you'd be waiting, standing by the phone.
Alright, I'm here. So where are you?
I am so great. You decided to come, citizen.
So tell me, why am I here?
I am putting a team together to destroy the Avengers.
So why do you need me?
I need your skills, and Songbird is on their team.
I'm going to kill her I'm in. So what's your name? And what is this team's name?
My name is Nighthawk, and the team name is Squadron Supreme.